Here's a video detailing what you're going to do today and why. So I didn't really get a chance to assess how well you guys understood how to read something critically. And I don't want to wait until next week to do that because next week we start on the essay and I'd rather proceed into the essay and close out the critical reading portion. So here's what you're going to do today. The first thing is there is an ed puzzle. This ed puzzle focuses on critical reading skills. So it looks like this, and just be aware that it seems to be partnered up with a textbook. So it'll refer to a textbook at some point, but the content of what it's explaining is really important, and it offers a pretty good explanation of what it means to read critically. And I want you to watch this because though a lot of you improved and started to understand what it means to read critically, I want you to really understand that it's not just questioning. Um, you don't just question the text, but you're sort of an active participant in a conversation with that author. And so some of it is a point that you're trying to make or a rebuttal. So this kind of is going to give you some techniques other than questioning. Once you finish that ed puzzle, you will submit it and you'll get points for completion and submission. After the ed puzzle, you will scroll down to August 25th. And on August 25th, I posted all three articles for you. You will select one. Select the one that you were not assigned. Okay, so if you were assigned Camp for Autism, the Camp for Kids with Autism, pick one of the other two to read. And that's because you've already given this one a couple of views. So you want to pick a different one. You're going to pick a different article. You're going to open it and you won't be able to edit or type into it. So just go to File, make a copy. And that is where you will proceed to read it and read it through that critical lens where you are questioning and commenting and having an active conversation with the author and truly showing the skills that you learned. Once you finish that, you will return to Google Classroom where you will submit that annotated article and you will submit that here where it says reading critically quiz. And yes, it is going in as a quiz because we did spend 2 days on this. And I do want to see how well you were able to read critically. So I'm looking for a variety of comments, a variety of techniques using the videos, using our conversations. And if you get stuck, definitely reach out to me. But this assignment is due by 3 o'clock today.